Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 2-pack of Blink camera clamp mounts. The seller of these is Alertcam. The seller is Sky Direct. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So this is a pretty good card to demonstrate what these are. I'll pull them out and I will show you the same thing. If you're like me, you love your Blink camera, but sometimes mounting it can be a real pain. No frills to this. It's pretty simple. The reason I found these is I've used these clamps before, but I've used them for trail cameras versus Blink cameras. And for trail cameras, they work really well. This company actually had one that was designed for a Blink camera. So let me show you what we're talking about. Here's your Blink camera. If you're familiar with it, this is the hardware that they send you that it comes with. You basically mount this into a wall or to a fence, and then you clip it on, and then you basically can turn this, adjust it any way you want to. And this works fine as long as you've got a flat area. But if you're somebody like me, I mount my Blink cameras all over the place. I put them on bird baths, bird feeders, all kinds of crazy stuff, and this is a whole lot easier. So what we're going to do instead is you're going to take your Blink camera and you are going to take all of the accessories off to where you're basically just with your regular Blink camera. This will work for the Blink XT as well as the XT2 camera. And then you're simply going to click this back part in. Well, let's see. There we go. It is a tight fit, really tight. You've got this ball and screw to where you can basically get it to any angle that you want to, and then you'll simply tighten this screw to hold the angle. And then you're going to basically take the clamp, and it is a hard clamp. So wherever you clip it to, it should hold. And you've got your Blink camera. It's a whole lot easier than finding a place to drill in and use this thing. So let's take a look. Basically, it should be two that are identical. There's no paperwork other than the card that it comes with. There's really not a whole lot to it. Attach your Blink camera, and you're ready to go. 2-pack, $14.99 on Amazon. I will put a link to the item in my video. As always, I hope the unboxing helps. Thanks for watching.